Hey everyone! Ever pushed yourself to the limit in the gym and wondered how your muscles bounce back? Today, I'm diving deep into the science of muscle recovery after intense training. Let's unlock the secrets together. First things first, what actually happens to your muscles when you exercise? When you lift weights or run sprints, you create tiny tears in your muscle fibers. This might sound scary, but it's actually a good thing. These micro tears signal your body to start the repair process, which is the key to building stronger muscles. So, what helps our muscles recover? The magic word here is protein. After a workout, your muscles are hungry for amino acids, the building blocks of protein. Eating a protein-rich snack or meal within an hour of your workout can kickstart the repair process. Think grilled chicken, Greek yogurt, or a protein shake. Next up, hydration. Sweating during a workout means you're losing fluids. Drinking water is crucial because it helps transport nutrients to your muscles and flush out toxins. Aim to rehydrate with at least 16-20 ounces of water post-workout. And let's not forget about rest. Sleep is when some of the most significant muscle recovery happens. Aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep each night. During deep sleep, your body releases growth hormone, which is essential for muscle repair and growth. Now, what about active recovery? Light activities like walking or yoga can increase blood flow to your muscles, delivering oxygen and nutrients that aid in recovery. Plus, it helps to loosen tight muscles and reduce soreness. Speaking of soreness, ever heard of DOMS? Delayed onset muscle. Soreness usually kicks in 24-48 hours after a workout. It's a sign that your muscles are adapting and getting stronger. To ease the discomfort, try foam rolling or a gentle massage. Last but not least, consider adding supplements like BCAAs, branched-chain amino acids, to your routine. They can reduce muscle soreness and improve recovery times. But remember, supplements aren't magic bullets. They work best when combined with a balanced diet and proper training. So there you have it. Protein, hydration, rest, active recovery, and maybe some smart supplementation. Follow these tips and you'll be bouncing back quicker and stronger after every workout. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fitness insights. Thanks for watching and keep crushing those goals.